everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'll be guiding you through how you can log into Twitter Developer in today's episode. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to Login Helps yet, subscribe by tapping on the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Twitter Developer, go to your web browser. In the search box, type in developer.twitter.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard, and doing so will take you to Twitter Developers homepage. To sign in, click on the sign in button located at the top right. You'll need to log into Twitter in order to log into Twitter Developer. Enter your phone number, your email, or your username, and next enter the password to your account. In case you forgot the password, click on Forgot Password link and reset your password to a new one, and click on the login button after you are done. And you'll be logged into your Twitter Developer account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.